how to activate an eSIM on your Android device. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. First things first, what is an eSIM? eSIM stands for Embedded Subscriber Identity Module. Unlike traditional SIM cards, an eSIM is built into a smartphone and can be activated digitally, making it easier to switch carriers or plans without needing a physical SIM card. But before we proceed, it's crucial to ensure your Android device supports eSIM technology. Head over to your device manufacturer's website to check if your model is eSIM compatible. Now, next thing we can do is go to your settings, then head to SIM settings. Here you might find the eSIM settings which you need to toggle on or off to disable or enable it. Then you may need to contact your carrier. To receive your eSIM activation details. This can come in the form of a QR code which you'll need to scan or a manual activation code. Activate your eSIM and there you have it. Your eSIM should now be activated and you're ready to enjoy your mobile plan without the need for a physical SIM card.